Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Chpt8. Let's take a look at question 3 from the Chapter 8 pretest. The Capitol Rotunda connects the House and Senate sides of the U.S. Capitol. The rotunda is 180 feet tall and has a circumference of about 301.5 feet. What is the approximate diameter to the nearest foot? Let's take a look at this. See what we need here. We want to know what the approximate diameter is. Diameter has to do, if I'm looking at a circle, the diameter is that line that travels from one edge, goes through the center point, and connects to the other edge. I'm just putting those X's there, though typically they're not there, just to show you that it connects from this edge and it goes through the center point to the other edge. Now, the rotunda is 180 feet tall. I don't need to know the height of the rotunda in order to figure out the diameter. What I do need is the circumference right here. I know the circumference of a circle is circumference equals pi, there's a symbol for pi, times diameter. Now in this case, we're going to substitute pi and use its numerical value, which is 3 1400ths times diameter. Now they give us the circumference. It says it's 301.5 feet. So we're going to now substitute 301.5 feet for C, and that's going to equal pi, or in this case 3.14, times diameter. Now we have an equation, a one-step equation. We want to evaluate for 1D. We don't need 3 1400ths D. What we then do next is say, hey, this is multiplication. The inverse of multiplication is division. We will divide both sides by 3 1400ths. I can use my calculator in this situation. Get my calculator out, and it says round to the nearest foot. So I need to make sure that my answer is the nearest foot, so I need a whole number. If I take a look, I have 301.5 divided by 3 1400ths. That'll equal, so I'm left with D. That'll cross out. D is equal to 96 1/100th feet. Now round to the nearest foot, I'm going to underline that 6, circle the 0. That 0 tells me to keep the 96 the same. So the diameter of the rotunda is 96 feet. Hope that helps you out. Take care.